everybody, I'm Taylor from Scenic Vans, and today I'm going to show you our brand new rental, the Shasta. The Shasta is a 144 wheelbase Mercedes Sprinter built for off-grid adventure. Its house batteries charge from solar, alternator, or shore power, keeping you powered anywhere. I'll give you a quick overview of its features before diving into the full tour. Right, so first thing, you step inside. Right here we've got your galley, cook station, practically your kitchen. Up here you've got your bed. Right behind me is your closet, your bench, and then your toilet. So first we have our induction cooktop here. Next to that is our sink. Wash your dishes. Underneath here is our fridge, which also has a freezer. And this galley comes with a drawer to hold all of the kitchen utensils that we provide for your rental. And it also has a cabinet. Shasta has lots of storage options. As you can see here, we've got 3 overhead cabinets. And behind me, we've got a closet. And under the closet, we have a step, which also has storage underneath for your shoes. In the Shasta, we have a nice queen bed, and that allows you to sleep side to side like this. Meanwhile, this spacious bench seats 2 people and also has this nice table that you can pull in like this and work on or eat on. And we also have a swivel seat for another dining option here. In the swivel seat, we can use either this rotating table here or this flip-up table here. And then underneath the bench, we have storage and a toilet. We also have this convertible shower called a Tetravan shower, which helps save space in the Shasta. You open it like this, unzip the bag, and pull out the curtain. Hang your curtain up here on these hooks right there. It also comes with this shower head so that you can wash yourself off. For cooling options in the Shasta, we have a MaxxAir Fan up here and an AC in the back. And for heating options, we have an Espar heater right down here. This is the Shasta's garage. Got lights right here, access to batteries and our water, and last but not least, an outdoor shower. So I look silly. And that is our Shasta van, rented today.